Hi, lovely people. Let's solve for the value of x. Okay, 4 times 4 will give us 4 squared, right? So we have 4 squared divided by x multiplied by x will also give us x squared is equal to x divided by 4. Now, if we cross multiply, then we are going to have 4 squared multiplied by 4 will give us what? 4 squared multiplied by 4 is equal to x squared multiplied by x. Now recall that when you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, that this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So that simply means that we can rewrite what we have as 4 to the power of, because this is 4 to the power of 1, right? So it's going to be 4 to the power of 2 plus 1 is equal to x to the power of 2 plus 1 as well, because this is x to the power of 1. So we will have 4 to the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 3. Now let's transfer this to this side of the equation. If we do that, we have 4 to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now we are going to make use of an algebra identity that states that a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. In this case, our a is equal to 4 and our b is equal to x. So we're going to substitute this into this particular algebra identity. So we'll have that this can now be expressed as a minus b, that is 4 minus x, multiplied by a squared, that is 4 squared, minus ab, that is 4 multiplied by x, plus b squared, that is x squared, is equal to 0. Then we have 4 minus x multiplied by 4 squared will give us 16, minus 4 times x will give us 4x, plus x squared. Oh, sorry, this is plus ab, not minus ab. So this plus and this plus, I'm sorry about that, is equal to 0. All right, now from here we can see that we can say that 4 minus x is equal to 0, and 16 plus 4x plus x squared is also equal to 0. All right, from the left hand side of the equation, we can say that 4 is equal to, if this minus x crosses, it becomes x. So this becomes the first value of our x. If this is the first time you are tuning in, like the first time you are seeing this channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. I upload videos daily, so please don't wait for the notification. Always tune in to check for new uploads, and please give us a thumbs up, and we really appreciate that if you're actually enjoying the video. Thank you so very much. Okay, now from the right hand side, we can rearrange this well, because this is definitely a quadratic equation, and since it's a quadratic equation, we can arrange with x squared being the first, right? So we can write x squared plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, now here I want you to know that a is equal to 1, that is the coefficient of x squared. B is equal to 4, the coefficient of x, and c is equal to 16, our constant. Now, using the quadratic equation formula, which says that x, that is the x we are looking for here, is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. So that simply means that let's substitute these values into this place. So our x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of what? 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 16, everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So if we continue solving, we will have that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus, now 4 times 6 will give us 24. We'll write 4 and carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4. plus 2 is 6, so we have 64 here, divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. Now, if we continue solving, we can see that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of, now 16 minus 64 will give us minus 48 divided by 2. Okay, so this 48, let's simplify it first. So let's simplify it. We have 48. When 2 divide 4, we have 24. If 2 divide 24, we have 12. If 2 divide 12, we have 6. If 2 divide 6, we have 3, and then we have extra 3. So let's pick 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 times 4 will give us 16. So this shows that the perfect square we are going to use to multiply our 3 is 16. Okay, so since it is 16, then we are going to factorize minus 48 as x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of, now minus 48 is same thing as minus 1 multiplied by 16, right? This 16, then multiplied by this 3 that is remaining. Everything divided by 2. So we can say that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus. Now, square root of minus 1 is I. Square root of 16 is 4. And square root of 3 will be square root of 3. So it's going to be 4 root 3i, right? Divided by 2. All right, let's continue. So permit me to draw my line. All right, so this is where we are. That x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the plus or minus 4 root 3i, right? 4 root 3i, everything divided by 2. So x is equal to the numerator, sorry, we can actually factorize something. Yes, we can factorize the numerator. Let's factorize 4. If we do that, minus 4 divided by 4 will give us minus 1 plus or minus 4 root 3i divided by 4 will give us root 3i divided by 2. So this can divide this to give us 2. And we can say that x is equal to 2 brackets minus 1 plus or minus root 3i. Okay, so that means that the second value of x is equal to 2 brackets minus 1 plus root 3i. The third value of our x is equal to 2 brackets minus 1 minus root 3i. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.